That should be working now. All right, I think I got it all set up. It's kick on. I guess that's the other thing is I need to check. Is kick working? Stream preview. Stream preview. W Dill is in my chat. I don't know who W Dill is. Hello, W Dill. I hope you're well. I am testing. That's all I'm doing at the moment. Just testing. I am not doing anything other than testing. But welcome in. If you feel like giving me a follow, I'd appreciate it. I will continue to check things out to make sure that they're working the way they need to work. Because I am multitasking. I'm across Twitch, YouTube, and Kick at the same time. I'm wanting to make sure the multi-streaming is working properly. And it looks like it is. So thank you, W. Dill, for walking in and saying hello on Kick. Now, as for the chat, I'm not sure if that's working or not. So let me just... let's throw an astonished. A couple of emotes here and there. See if that's going to show up on my chat on my OBS. Okay. So when I do it from my OBS section, that works. Okay, so it does some of that, but I'm not getting chat from one side to the other. In other words, I got to look over here in my other screen to see if that worked. Test. So it works from one end, but it doesn't pull over here onto the other end. So something weird about that. All right, and I know there won't be any chat in my YouTube. Actually, that showed up on both. Tired of streaming to 0. Let's change that. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, okay, good. So I see that it's working. I see I'm getting chat on both sides now, so I don't have to keep both windows open. Let's check out the YouTube, make sure that's working the way it should. Let's go to test. Yeah, I misspelled it. Okay, so the YouTube is not communicating across each other. No. Nada. Okay, so I got to figure out what's going on with the YouTube chat. All right. Let's go to Docs, YouTube chat. And the YouTube chat, let's configure that. Okay. See, it's showing that everything's correct on that end. Wish I knew. Wish I knew. Okay, so I can't seem to figure out Our docks are not working the way they're supposed to. Okay, let's come over and see if I can configure this settings. Output settings. I don't know. I got an idea. We're going to try going to YouTube without being in my normal channel. Let's log in a different account. This is not me, so hello. See, it's still not showing up, so something's amiss. It shows up on a different window, but not on the window over here that I need it to. So something's amiss there. Okay, so let me see what I can do. Over here, my YouTube chat is not showing up in OBS. Sure, the stream is set to public. And refresh the scene or okay. Let's pop up the chat. Okay. This is not popping out the chat. Okay. That just got rid of docs. I don't want that. Oh yeah, never mind. It did exactly what it's supposed to do. I'm sorry. All right. Let's get rid of it did exactly what I was hoping it would do, and then now all of a sudden now it's all gone. Okay, so let's go back over here to YouTube. YouTube again. It's popped out. Let's get rid of all chats. Doc, chat, dock it over here. All right, chat. Okay. Doc. Kick over here. Kick chat right there. Good. All right, so we got kick chat, doc, now my YouTube. All right, we want that out, so there we go. Now, it says next. Come over here, open your live stream chat on YouTube in a browser. Okay, got that done. Let's actually go to the live video, so let's see if we can do that. View my channel. Create. Go live. Should show me live. Okay. Yep, it shows I am live. shows my analytics. There's my stream setting. Okay, so now that I got all that, let's see. Copy the URL from the pop-out chat window. Copy. Okay. OBS, add a new browser. Okay. So how can I just make it to where it's on the side, where it's not coming in? I could do the browser, yeah, that I could do that, but I want it on a dock. So let me see if I can do anything with YouTube dock. Okay, so it's not letting me do it on one, but it is letting me do it on the other. So let me see what it's telling me here to do. But then it shows up on screen. I don't know that I want everything to show up on screen. I guess I could. To get your chat to show in OBS, I'm going to have to actually set it up as a source, as a scene. And I don't know that I want that. See, under the source it says, so I don't have to do that for every single scene. I would have to do a source. I don't know. That just... I don't know. That's what we're testing for. So, it should come through. Okay, let's see. Okay, so copy the open custom browser docs. Custom browser docs, okay? YouTube chat. Apply. And close. All right, so let's try that now. All right, so now I have YouTube. Okay, let's go to the dock over here. Docs, YouTube chat. Shows up right now. It's showing up. All right, we got it. Hooray! All right, it took some work, but we did it. I did it. Hooray! All right, so YouTube chat. Let's rearrange OBS to get it to where I see what I want to see. Hello. All right. Let's go over here. All right, so that's the reason why we have the second dummy account. It's because we want to be able to check things out as necessary. So come over here. This is working. Boom. And it shows up and it doesn't show up on the other one. Maybe it takes time. I don't know. Let's see. This is working. Yes. It does show up. Yes. All right. Now, we got to do the same thing with Kick. We got to find out what is going on with the with the kick. Because I didn't see it. Some of the messages are not coming through. So let's do a check on my kick chat. Make sure that is taken care of. Okay, ICK. Get the pop-out URL from Kick. Navigate to the creator dashboard. All right, so we're in Kick. We're in the dashboard. Settings. Let's see what else it says. All right, so find the chat window and click the cogwheel icon or 3 dots for chat settings. All right, so I'm in Kick. There's the 3 dots. Pop out chat and copy the URL. Am I the Eggman or are you the walrus? Hold on. I'm still trying to figure things out over here. All right, so I'm testing. That's all I am right now. I'm here now. I'm glad you're here. How you doing? I am testing. All right, so copy this. I'm not on Twitch at the moment. I'm on my dummy account on Twitch. This is my real account on Kick. So find this and go into Docs, Custom Browser Docs. Come over here, paste. And now all of a sudden, all my information is showing up on here. So test this over here. And that works. Best Nintendo or Sega? Probably Nintendo because I never had a Sega. That's what I would do. That's the way I look at it. All right, so is my YouTube working? Let's check out YouTube. Test over there. That is working. Okay, good. And now let's check my so the original BB80. Let's go over there to Twitch. Go to find the original BB80. I see that it's live. Switch over to that channel. Hello, Blue. And that worked. Yay! Okay. All right. I'm happy now. So I got everything exactly the way I wanted. I can now broadcast simultaneously by clicking one button. So right now, the original BB80 Twitch account is working. My Backward Bloom 80 Kick account is working, and my YouTube Backward Bloom account is working. So all three, I can see the chat on. One little thing on OBS. So, booyah. You seem like a software person. I am basically trying to make sure that all the stuff that I'm programming is working correctly. So when I go to my main channel, because my main channel is not Kick, you are seeing a test stream from a alternate account. So that way when I go to my main account, everything is set up and working properly. So yeah. Yeah, because I want things to be easy for me. So yeah. You could say that I give a shit about things that a lot of people don't. Nothing wrong with that. So got that taken care of. That is good on that end. But I like to be able to stare at one screen, which is the one right in front of me. Be able to look at all chat instead of me have to click over to this screen, that screen, or have 4 different screens going, oh, I'd rather just, boom, there's everything right there, all streaming and right and beautiful on one little chat area, and it tells me which chat it is, so I can make sure I do everything. I'm glad you do. I have a little sunflower, and that's the little theme. They nicknamed me Bloom, so everything dealing with blooms and sunflowers, as you can see on my little background around me, deals with that. So bees love sunflowers, so I created that. The 2 bees bumping and dancing on top of a sunflower, because it goes with the theme of my channel. Been doing this for 5 years, so yeah. You do no mixing chats will get you banned from Twitch due to the Twitch rules. It's not showing onto the Twitch chat. So as you can look at my channel, well, you can't see my Twitch one. So young, yeah. If you look at my Twitch channel, it only captures the information on my screen from Twitch itself. It does not bleed over on my OBS, which Twitch cannot see. I can see all the chats from different platforms that I'm broadcasting live on. So that works for me because, yes, I do understand that. The chat, that they don't want everything to show up on Twitch bleeding across. So the only thing that shows up on my screen, which you can see in Kick, you can see that only the chat on the displayed screen is from my Twitch account. So yeah, granted, you're the first ever I spoke to who has good info on before they tell on this before telling. Yeah, so I've been doing it for a few years, making sure I don't break any of the rules. And like I mentioned, this is on Twitch. This is my Twitch dummy account. I call it my dummy account. Is the last time I used this account, I turned it on and tried anything was 2021. So it's been 4 years. So if they turn around and say, Twitch, we're banning you on this account, I'm like, well, go ahead. I don't ever use it. This rule is only 6 months old. Oh, okay. Yeah, I try and stay on top of everything. They allow you to broadcast amongst all different platforms as long as you keep them separate. So yeah, all my chat for Twitch is on my screen, as you can see. All my Kick chat is not displayed on screen. I could drag it in and make it work and have 3 little tiers right here on the side. I could have YouTube, Kick, and Twitch and have the different chats displaying at once. I don't want to do that. If anything, I'm actually thinking about getting rid of this altogether. I haven't decided, but maybe just, boom, there's no BB80 chat showing up on my screen. I don't know. Nice. So yeah, everything that you see here on screen, I create. So I do all my art. I do all my own design. I do my own backgrounds. I do everything. And I've been doing it by myself 5 years ago. So everybody's like, well, you're using AI and you're skipping over artists that are starving that could use the work and so on and so forth. But I'm like, no, I'm the artist. I'm the one that did it. I'm the one that did design and put all that together. I didn't have AI. AI is now out there. Have I used it? No. I just get on 3D art and I use other couple programs as well that I just doodle and work things on my own. Take pictures, crop them, put them together. I do all my own emotes too. Those are all done by me. I create it, I put it together, and I throw them on screen. That's why you can see a lot of my emotes. You won't see it on this particular channel, but on my normal channel, you'll see that my emotes are live pictures of me. They're of this guy. Doing different things, and I crop it and I remove the background and just make it an emote, and then I animate him sometimes. So yeah. Oh, no worries. Yeah, so I do what I can in order to learn as much It's not because I'm a cheapo. It's just more of I like the knowledge. I like to be able to learn and be able to do things on my own. But yes, I don't have the money. I'm not a rich streamer. I'm not like WDILL, who has like thousands of followers and probably has a bunch of revenue coming in from his streams. I have zero revenue coming in from any of my streams, simply because I tell people to not give me revenue from it. It's not because I don't want it. It's just because I don't stream a lot. And so why are you gonna say? I ask someone, hey, pay your $5, $6, $7 wherever it costs and wherever anyone's from, whatever the amount is. Why pay the $7 to a streamer that you'll see once every month or once every 3 months? I don't ask that. That's why I don't want people to subscribe. So that's why I don't get any revenue from this. So I don't have a lot of money from my normal job because I got to keep a roof over my head. So that's why I just go ahead and do everything and learn everything by myself, because I don't want to be spending my hard-earned cash on something that's just more of a hobby to me. Sure, do I like supporting others? Yeah, I'll subscribe to other people's channel. I'll go out there. But as for, hey, can I create your emotes from you? I'm like, okay, sure. How much? $50 for one emote. I'm like, $50 for one emote? Yeah, thank you. If you said $50 for you to reprogram my entire screen and give me like 10 emotes, okay, we can talk. But one individual emote? Nah, thank you. I appreciate it. I'm going to pass. I don't see, especially since I don't use that much. And I don't have that many followers. And it's the same people that see the same emotes. You know, there's many reasons behind it. It's the big thing is I just don't have disposable cash. The $50 could go towards my electricity bill. It could go to my internet bill. There's so much money that if I just threw out for emotes here and there or artwork and design and stuff, that if I just gave that money willy-dilly to someone else, I'm not getting anything in return from my channel because I don't put the time and effort to make my channel popular. So, yeah, financially, I don't have disposable income. I need every cent I can to take care of the bills that I have. So, yeah, so unfortunately, I can't hire anyone. So, I learned how to do everything by myself, slowly but surely, and I'm happy with it. Anyway, that's all I wanted to do today was come over here, set up to make sure all chats are working, make sure that I'm able to view all streams across the platform, that they all look the same. The lag is none. I'm seeing zero lag. Wow, I can't believe it. This particular YouTube channel of mine has 35 subscribers. 35. I'm impressed. That to me is a lot, because I don't ever tell anyone I have YouTube. I have it a little blur below my screen, my live screenshots. But that's it. That is absolutely it. And on this channel, this one I have right now on Twitch, only have 5 followers. Yay, it was such a tiny channel. So maybe I'll do a lot of more testing and stuff here and fooling around. Maybe showing how I build some of my icons on this channel. And then on my normal channel, which I have 459 followers, a lot more than 5, which is this one. On that channel, I can show the finished results. So I don't know. We'll see. But I do love the option that on OBS now, I'm able to turn on and turn off when I go live on Kick and YouTube. That's pretty damn cool. I just click a little toggle switch and then slide it this way, it turns on, slide this way, it turns off. So I can go live on one individual platform or all the platforms. So it's whatever I feel like doing. And all I do is just disconnect things if I don't want them to run. I'm really happy. I really am happy. Okay, so this was meant to be just a quick, short stream to test things out. I got everything where I wanted to be, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. Sertern, I'm not sure how, Sutern, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Thank you for talking with me. I appreciate it. You have a great rest of your day. I may be on with a live stream soon. I don't know. But for right now, for the test, I'm done for today. All the best to ya. I'll catch up with everybody again soon. Thanks. I'm out. See ya.